I report to the group CEO, and I regard him. His name is Justin, and he recently just retired. And he's my mentor in the stage of life, and I still respect him very much. And I literally learn every single work practices that he has, be it good or bad. And he is an accountant, and I started to learn a lot of mathematics and calculation and, from him. And so very uselessly till today that I'm still using some of his good practices. I think the mentoring is a very important part of the career building. It's certainly very important to me. Thank you.
Next, a question from our guest. Good morning, sir. What is the hardest problem or circumstance you have encountered in your life? With guests or with anyone?
I have encountered 1,001 problems every day. As I say that you need to remain positive, in dealing with all the problems. I always remind myself that I'm actually paid to solve a problem, be it a staff problem or customer problem. So problem solving is actually my daily affair. And I'm not afraid of facing any difficult situation. And once you're able to handle it as a daily affair, then everything comes so easily. And you feel like you accomplish a great deal by solving a very difficult situation and a problem. I have thousands of examples to show you how difficult is it to be in the service industry, to deal with difficult customers. And I particularly like to deal with difficult customers because this is very challenging.
Hello, I'm Pearl and I'm from Taiwan. I'm very touched by your speech, and I think as a woman, and I think I was speaking to your wife. I think whatever suffer she had or all the joys that she had, I think from your speech, I think it was everything. And my question for you is, you have to tell us about what happened in the past. But I want to ask you, especially in the condition of the real world right now, what is your plan and your vision for the next 10 years? Professional-wise and family-wise.